Hello everyone, myself Tanish, studying in grade 5. Today I'm going to give a speech on should kids have cell phone. So, wait. I'm having 9 million followers and 10,000 likes. Wait a minute, I'm on my phone, can't you see? How do you feel when a person says to you like this? I feel humiliated. I feel I didn't get any attention. I don't feel anything actually. Imagine this is your friend and this is you and this is your friend. Your friend will be like, wait a minute, how do you feel? How do you feel about your friend or yourself? It's very bad to see yourself on and avoid people. There used to be days where I used to get full attention of my families. But nowadays, there are people like IT company workers and weather forecast. They are 18 hours. They are sleeping 8 hours a day, which means 24 minus 8 is equal to 16. They are eating 2 hours a day, which is equal to 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. So in 14, 2 hours, taking a break, restroom, and so it's gone. Totally now 12 hours left. 12 hours, half an hour only they are spending with their families. The rest 11 and a half hours they are spending their time in watching screen, laptops. But when we ask them, they say, wait, I'm doing work for you. I'm earning for you. I didn't say that don't see laptop or don't use laptop. Now, let's check about harmfulness about laptop or phone or any device. So, the laptop or phone of device is a device. A phone or device is actually a modern device which is used to communicate, explore and more. Nowadays, in olden days, most of you know, 90s, 80s, what did they used to play? They used to play cricket, they used to play football. But nowadays, they are playing games like Cricket League instead of cricket and real cricket in phone, not in real. And in soccer, they are playing like FC Mobile, Soccer Superstar, like that. Okay, I didn't say that no games, nothing, none. You can play games, but memory games. For example, Sudoku, then Snake and Ladders, Ludo, chess. The main sport to play in phone is chess. It improves your logical, survival and more. Your brain, sharpens your brain. Imagine this is a sharpener and this is your brain. It's like this and the sharpener sharps your brain like this. So chess you can play. And what else games you can play? You can play Tux Math Command. I'll suggest you some games. Instead of playing like Free Fire, PUBG, Minecraft, you can use those games. For example, you can play chess, as I already said. And you can play Tux Command. It's not Tux Paint. It's from Tux company, but it's not Tux Paint. It's Tux Math Command. In that, there are maths in form of games. For example, multiroids and asteroids, more are there. And even there is about social science. You can use exploring app instead of Google browser or YouTube. You'll go to another app or another site and it pulls you like, imagine this is you and this is a very big magnet and your iron page. It pulls you like this. But the other magnet pulls you. You need to give your support to some magnet. This is other side. Then this is your wanted side. Where will you go? Some people will be pulled by this magnet and they'll go to other side. But some people strongly in this one and they'll be here only. So in this what we learnt is the harms of cell phone. Next, we'll see about how to prevent cell phone. Well, why do the cell phones very dangerous or harmful? Because it produces UV rays or radiation which hurts our eye. Even many people died due to this eye or lost their eye. So in this there are many things about to prevent it. You know how? To prevent those things, we can use blue screen glasses. Blue itself means reflective. So in reflective manner, it reflects the radiation out. So next, we are seeing about the uses of cell phone. What are the uses of cell phone? Uses of cell phones are more. You can browse the thing which you don't know. You can calculate and more. Anyway, it has many pros, but also it has many disadvantages. It makes you addict. For example, if you see some children, they be playing games like this, very addicted. But when you take their phone and throw it like this, what will they do? They still play. That's known as addicted. Okay, now we understood about cell phone addiction. You know why is our our eyes red? You know why? Many people think it's because of watching cell phone. You're 50% right but 50% wrong. I'll say you how. It's the heat in your body. When you have something cold, your eyes become very red. But you know how is cell phone in this? The cell phone hurts your eyes and it gives heat to your eyes. For example, imagine this is cell phone. It gives heat to your eye and it stores it here, right under your chest. And it's like this. It's having a very hot fire covered in it. Not exactly fire, but which melts because of cold. And when we jump into cold water, many times seen the people who jump in chlorine water or pool, their eyes will be red. You guys think it's because of the chlorine, but no. It's because of the cell phone radiation that is stored in their body. It will cool it down and it will be expressed due to our eyes. In this, we learned about the radiation and how to prevent it. You can use blue screen glasses for preventing. Here is the fun fact. The fun fact is more than 1 lakh phones are produced by year in a day. Thank you.